I wanted to be at home. I never wanted to leave home. You can sit right there. But that's as far as you're going inside my house. Because, give me that. No, I didn't make this for you. It's jambalaya. Yeah, I can cook. Oh, you're hungry. So sad. Do I look like I'm your mommy? Do I look like your mommy? Huh? Answer me. Yeah, I cooked this from scratch. Yeah, I cooked this myself. Can you cook? Or does your mommy still cook for you? Hmm? I'm curious. You thought just because I was older, I was just gonna like roll over and like do everything you said and like beg and like just, you know, be like the fantasies on the internet. Is that what you were imagining from me? Okay, let's think for a moment where you're at in your life. Okay, what you've got going for you. Yeah, let's evaluate because I think you're like basing everything just off of like age or like your looks. But like, let's not forget, like, I still have my looks. Okay? I look a lot better than most people your age. Right. So, let's also evaluate where we're at, like, academically. Okay. Yeah, college-wise, what you're getting a degree in, what the amount of money you're gonna make when you get out and get a job is going to be. Let's think about that. Let's think about all those things and add them together. Let's think about your partying habits. Let's think about your, I don't know, all your habits. that you can get a girl your age of my caliber that's not like, I don't know, a bum working at McDonald's? No offense to McDonald's employees, like I'm not saying that's a bad job. I'm just using it as an example of like someone who makes that their like life career choice. And I haven't been perfect. Like I know where I've made mistakes. But I think when I was your age, I was really ignorant to like the choices I was making, and I had no one to guide me. And I just want you to like really look yourself in the mirror and be honest. With where you're at and what you're doing, and if you're gonna continue to act that way, what you're gonna end up with in life. Someone successful in that, or someone really pretty, but like with maybe like a horrible family and nothing going for her, or I don't know, in 10, 20 years, maybe a divorce. Cause you just can't act right. Maybe you should start helping in the kitchen at your house. You're old enough. I mean, all your friends are graduating right now, aren't they? You never failed any classes? Are you sure? Okay. I believe you, but don't. Don't get cocky with me. Because I will tear you down. I don't want to date you, but I also don't want to be treated like trash. Mm-hmm. So you want me to slap you? You said you didn't like it when I slapped you. I'm wondering about the things you say. How much I can believe or not. Hmm? Because if this is how you act with everyone, then I know for a fact you're not getting the hot girl. But if you're just acting that way towards me because you don't give a damn about me, then it is what it is. Then we'll just go our separate ways. But I really think that's a mistake because I think right now it doesn't matter so much because you're still young, but like as your peers start to get their shit together and you're still lost in the sauce, I'm gonna be the hottest girl you can get. By then I'll have a degree that's probably better than yours, right? I mean, I will. If I get a computer science degree, you realize how much those people make right out of college and how much the potential is? You're beneath me. And I'm over a decade older than you. See, it's men like you that will go and try to, you know, get with every single one of a girl's friends because it boosts your self-confidence and makes you feel better about yourself. And you try to, like, put the girl in her place. That's all that's all you've got to work with. Men like that do that when that's all they have to work with. Yeah, I think it's funny. Anyway, I'm done with this actually. I'm full, so since I'm full, you can have my leftovers.